Welcome, welcome back to the PE Construction Zone with Miss H, where we use common objects to build a foundation for elementary physical education and gross motor skills. Today we are going to work with grocery bags and work on eye-hand coordination and spatial awareness. I have with me my friends Alec again and Gabby, who are going to help me demonstrate this lesson. And when we work with grocery bags, we always want to make sure to never leave them laying on the floor because they can be a slippery hazard. Also, they are soft and therefore very accessible to use with any population that you may work with. Alec, here's your bag.
Thank you.
Gabby, here's your bag.
Thank you.
Most of you may be familiar with scarf exercises and activities, and this is exactly what this is. This is a very cheap, affordable scarf. So we're going to use one hand. See, we can just toss it and grab it again. Toss it and grab it again. You try to just toss with your arm and keep your feet still. Yeah. So we're not jumping, just looking at the scarf. Use your eyes and follow the scarf. Good job. That's 2 and 3. Again, counting is a good motivator. 4, 5, 6. Oh, can we use our other hand?
Yeah.
And up and grab. And up and grab. Look at your bag. Up and grab. Now we're going to alternate our hands. Do you know what that means, alternate? From one hand to the other. So up and grab. Up and grab with the other. Up with one, grab with the other. Up with one and grab with the other. Up with one and go, go, go. You got it. You got it. Up and grab. Good job. And grab with the other hand. You got it. All right. Now let's see if we can do some tricks with it. I'm going to toss it up, run under it, and then catch it. Watch. Up, run under, and catch. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Up.
I can try.
Try it. Up and catch.
Okay.
It's a little tricky because there's a little breeze.
Yeah. I did it.
Oh, good, you did a spin. And now you show me one. With a jump. Ready, go. Up. Up, jump, catch. Up, jump, catch. What else? Oh, under your leg.
Ooh.
And up. Good job. All right. Now, I'm going to take one bag away. May I have your bag?
Yes.
And we're going to work together. Okay? Alec, this is what I want you to do. I want you to hold it. You're going to jog a little bit. Let it go. And then Gabby will have to catch it. And then Gabby can jog, let it go, and you catch it.
Okay.
Ready? Go ahead, jog. Let it go. Let's see. Gabby, catch it, catch it. Oh, you got to stay behind him. Okay, jog. Alec, follow her, follow her. Let it go up high. One more time. Alec, jog, keep it up high. Let it go. Yay, and Gabby got it. Good job. And back to your spots. I'm going to add a second bag. If you do a second bag of a different color, it helps to differentiate which bag goes where. And now we're going to do something called crisscross applesauce. This is the beginning of juggling. Now watch. Crisscross. Crisscross applesauce. Applesauce. And crisscross applesauce. You got it. What letter are we making in the air?
A-X.
An X. Crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce.
Crossing midline is also a play here. Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross Good. You start with your left hand, okay? Which one is your left hand?
This one.
Show me. Wave it. That. Start with your left hand. Start with that one. Up. 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 There you go. Yep. And back to your spot. Good. Yes, start with your left. Do that one more time. Crisscross applesauce. And there's the breeze. Little crisscross. But the breeze is getting a little in the way. Show me, Alec. Crisscross. There you go. Nice work. Yep. Which hand is starting? Good job. Try that again. Easy. There you go. That's it. You got it. And you may stop. Now, just as with the newspapers, we don't want these bags laying all over the place or ending up at the trash, so we have a little surprise for you, what we can do with them. Let's go to the table. We are going to turn these plastic bags into a ball. Now, the way we do that is we straighten them out, fold it all up. We're going to roll it really nice and tight. Yeah, you do that with multiple bags. Yeah, and you guys can take some home with you if you want to. Here we go. You see, really nice and tight until you get it as big as you want to. Say about to this size. Then you get duct tape pieces and start taping it nice and tight. I used the boring gray first, and then I finished this example off with nice blue. Really nice, tight, but soft ball.
Okay.
Alec, Gabby, you want to toss the ball to each other?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah. Good job. Now toss it back to Alec. You're okay. It's a nice soft ball. Oh! And it rolls nicely.
Oh my God, you hit me.
There. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. There we go. And as they are playing with the ball, I want to thank you for yet again being entertained by my little lesson, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Don't forget to tune in. There's also already one about the newspapers. Want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Bye.